guys, hope you're doing so well. Today we are doing part 3 of garden cleanup. It is so exciting. We're getting more and more done, and I actually just started working on it, and Luca's like, don't you need to do the beginning of the video? So I stopped to introduce everything and to say hi. It's a little cooler today. I've been adding a layer after layer, and I just realized my microphone wasn't on, so I'm glad I realized that. So let me show you what we're working on. Behind me is a mess of all of our tomatoes that we just didn't get to clean out this fall, so I'm working on all of that. Pansy, the last of the pansies. I just have the tomato cages stored here, but I'm so excited just to clean this up, and we're gonna see as far as we go. So let's do it. We just need to cut all of these green ties that were used to trellis it up, and we need to get rid of all the leftover tomato stuff. So pretty simple. It just looks huge and messy, but it'll be a pretty quick cleanup. Hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. You're losing it. Are you losing it? You want a stick? Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. Oh, hello. You're so excited. Oh, hello. Hi, Bear. Hey, Bear. Yeah, I thought you'd like one. Hi. 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 Oh, did you? You can't take it. You alone? Hey, Bear. So I started working on this, so I'm just going to show you. This is the tomato bed, and it was just busy all fall and winter, so we didn't get it cleaned up. So I just have the tomato cages, all the dried tomatoes, which looks really, really messy, but it's a pretty easy cleanup, and then Pansyville. So like I said, this is the last of the pansies. We're going to get them ripped out, and hopefully that'll be the end of them. So I'm excited to get this cleaned up. If we swing behind me, we got this all cleaned up. I still have to do a little bit of weeding here, but look at this. Clear, 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 clear. Oh, it looks so good. I raked this, so I got all the junk off. The clay's still a little stained, but we're gonna redo this, but it's not perfect, but it looks so much better. But we have millions, you see that, of tomato skins, so we're gonna have a lot of tomato volunteers this year, but that's okay. But so excited, so we're gonna move on to this quick. And this is such a blessing from the Lord. All these tomato cages we got free, which is so funny. All of these someone brought. We had an Instacart order, I think a year or two ago, and the lady just had extra that the person didn't want. So she gave us like 8 or 10 tomato cages, and then these, I think a patient brought them at the chiropractic office, which is amazing. So all our tomato cages, I think we've been given. Isn't that amazing? What a blessing. People are so sweet. Woo! This weed was tough. This weed ripped the plastic right out from under the gravel. Look at that. It's like a tree root system. Here's my cameraman. I didn't know how to change the battery, but Luca did, so he changed it for me. Thanks, bud. Good job. All right, we got a little bit of light left, so we're gonna try to finish up as much as we can. Okay, friends, I'm gonna show you the end before it gets too dark. I still have a ton more to do. I'm gonna try to roll through some more, but let me show you what we got done so far. Okay, so here we were working in the tomato corner. Okay, so I was showing you guys we got all of this cattle panel cleared out. It looks so clean and amazing. I still have to weed this. We got this first part weeded. Gonna give that to the chickens. Got all the ties cut off. I apologize if it's getting dark. And just gonna weed this up, clean it up. We got this all cleaned up. We got tons of kangaroo bags full of our tomato twigs. And then I got all the tomato cages pulled out of here, all the dead tomatoes. I just have a couple left. I'm gonna see if I can finish up yet. Just have to clean the pansies up, but we got a lot done. We just have that side to do yet and just a little bit here. So just some fine tuning on the details in the ground. General cleanup, but it's so nice to get this cleaned up. It's kind of like rooms in your houses. You just want to get this section or this room cleaned. So exciting to get all this ready for new plants and fresh life and fresh plants and growing this year's stuff. So I'm so excited. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to continue getting this garden all cleaned up. It was so fun getting another section done and just having it clean and you can breathe and just ready for this year. So thank you guys so much. We'll see you later. Bye. Okay, quick dark update. Got all the tomato cages out and all the tomato plants. Beautiful. Now just cleaning up the pansies.